Today, we're going to talk about drones and real estate. Welcome back to the channel and thanks for being here. A few months ago, I had posted a video about me getting a drone, which I'll be using more now that the weather is getting nicer. But I was recently asked if I used it in my work as a real estate agent. The answer was an enthusiastic yes, but not quite in the way that was expected. Of course, I do use drone footage of the house and property in my marketing videos, some of which I shot myself and others I've relied on my video guru for. A shout out to Al, who always does a bang up job in making me look good. The other primary way I use the drone in real estate is to reveal sight lines. This has been useful on both the listing and buying sides. Let me give you some examples. When listing a property with an older home, it was important to know exactly what the views would be if the property were to be redeveloped. Not only did these photos provide valuable information for pricing and marketing the home, but the photos shot from different heights, representing second and third floor views, were critical in the negotiation process. On the other side of the coin, when representing a buyer, I used it in a similar way. However, I did use it to highlight a negative with a property that my buyers were interested in. As my buyers explained to me that part of their expectations would be a private backyard, we looked at a house with a 15-foot cedar hedge around the perimeter of the property, providing the privacy they were seeking. However, I was immediately drawn to the development of a new house directly behind this property and put my drone up in the air to see what the new neighbors would see once they moved in. The angles of the property and height of the house removed much of the privacy that my clients were drawn to. And that's just 2 examples in about 5 months of owning it, though I am quite certain there will be more. Not only is it fun to fly and super cool, it is practical as well. It adds just one more tool to the kit in an ever-changing industry. That's it for me for the day. If you enjoyed the video or at the very least learned something, let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to hit the like button. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Other than that, thanks for watching and have yourself a great day.